Hello, today we are doing Excel BI Challenge 115 with some binary strings. Let's take a look. So download it. So something is a so-called beautiful string. If 1 and 0 appear alternately, we don't have anything not 1 and 0 here, so let's do it that way. So I take the string, I split it like we do it every time, and sequence then S1. So here we have the single digits, and then I do if drop, so I erase the first row is equal to the first row, so something like this. Let's do it that way. So and now we need to drop the last row because there isn't anything to compare there, and then we sum this up. And now we filter, so now we map this, all the strings here, lambda s, erase it in our function here. So, and everywhere where a 0 is, our binary string is so-called beautiful. So we make a filter function here, or we use a filter function here. Filter if map equals to 0, and now we have all the beautiful strings. That was a funny one. So here this is our main part, so like the splitting isn't our main part and also not the mapping. This is our main part where we erase the first row and then compare. So I show it with the first string. So we erase the first row and then compare it that way, row by row, and now here you can see we have a two same numbers, and for that there aren't appearing alternately, so we have an error here, and you have to erase here the first row so that it will come down one row, and here you don't have anything to compare, so you can't compare the last row. But this is a problem because you can compare 4 of that 4 rows. So thank you, see you next time.